Today we're going to be replacing the ceiling fan control here in the living room. This is the existing control. It is a Westinghouse branded model UC9031, and this is an awful control. It's a 4-speed fan and light dimmer, and it's just abysmal. And the only thing I like about it is the light icon is an incandescent bulb. That's all it has going for it. The dimmer on this thing, the light dimmer, is borderline useless. It only dims about maybe to 80 or 85%. So it goes from 100 to 85 and then off. So the light dimmer is useless. The fan control, this is so hard to move that in order to get it to move to the next setting, the acceleration just takes it past where you want it. So usually you have to go up and down like 5 times to get it where you want it. That's a joke. And then the highest setting on the fan is number 1, which is at the bottom, and the highest setting on the light is at the top. It's an awful control. It doesn't work good. It makes no sense, and I'm tired of it. I got so fed up with it last night, I went out this morning and bought a new one. A new one made in China. Ooh. And if that doesn't speak volumes to how fed up with it I am, I'm not sure what does. This is a Hunter control. It was $23. It's only a 3-speed, which is not what I want. I want a 4-speed. That's why I have the 4-speed here. But I guess the 4-speed variant of these kind of products has gone extinct. I couldn't find one anywhere. So, oh well. It'll be fine for the winter time because the fan has to be running with the heat. I keep the heat on, with the pellet stove, and I need the fan going at least half power to keep the heat pushed back down. So it's okay for now, for the summertime, but for the winter time, but for the summer it's not going to work. So I think what I'll probably do is in the summertime you get rid of this whole thing, because this is a hack anyway, so it's like the stinking thing doesn't fit and it was just cut. It's a joke. So delete this whole thing and redo it. Put a 4-gang box in, get a real light dimmer, get a rotary light dimmer, simple, basic, easy to use. Get a rotary fan control 4-speed, and it'll be a 4-gang box, so it'll probably go to here, and move the whole thing over so a real plate can fit, and then we can just be done with this nonsense. But we're not there yet, so this will be my temporary fix-up. Now the other problem with this is somebody told me, I think, that the light dimming range can be adjusted. So I took this off to see if I could find out how or where, and I didn't see anything. So then I tried to take the front cover off, and it got all messed up. It's not operable. So now I have to take the whole thing apart and try to figure out what the heck happened. Whatever. We'll get this fixed and then we'll be done with that nonsense. The light is currently on. I'll go ahead and turn the light off. Okay, so the old control is out. Now I gotta open this one in a fancy plastic, environmentally safe packaging. Oh no, I didn't take note. Oh no, okay. Shoot. Which one is, this is the high side. Yeah, okay. These are the fan leads. Okay, here's the new control. And that come with some wire nuts and things. We'll keep those for different operation. I don't need it for this. I have ones here already. Let's see what we got here. But first off, how does this operate? It's pretty stiff, but it's better. If the light dims properly, I can live with it. At least for the next few months. Until the summer. For incandescent light kits only, that's fine. That's all I would use. 300 watt maximum. A lot of lead wires here. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, the blue I believe is for the fan. I think the red is going to be for the light. Let's see. According to this one, the blue is for the light. Of course, this don't come with a direction, so you really don't know. I guess we'll just assume it's standard. Yeah, it really doesn't say. Unreal. Well, see, this one is different because this one we have that's ridiculous. This is different. I mean, this is non-standard. Seriously, you don't come with a flippin' manual? Wow, that's ridiculous. There's no... See, it says complete instructions enclosed, but that's cap. Unless there's this, like... Ah, here we go. Blue is for the fan. The red is for the light. And the black is the high side. Okay. So blue is for the fan, which, okay, so this is the light here. And then this, in theory, should go to the fan, which is this wire here. And then I'll live everything up here and make sure this is off so we don't get some crazy sparks here. Alright, so let's see if this works. It is working. The fan is now on. Let's see how the light works, 'cause that's the big one. The camera's just about out of charge here. Let's see if we can get a test on the light before. Beautiful. It works properly. Alright. So I'm not too thrilled about it being a 3-speed, but I'll deal with it because the main problem was the light. So the light issue is fixed. And then in the summertime, we're going to go through this whole box and redo the whole thing.